Bila power off, dia akan bunyi macam ni. Oops.
Power off.
Hey bros, HezHazrizal YouTube channel. I think 1 week ago ataupun 2 weeks ago aku ada beli sesuatu daripada Shopee semasa dia buat flash sales, and aku rasa sangat-sangat berbaloi sebab aku beli benda ni dengan hanya RM11. So add up to the postage fee, these things just cost me around RM15. So I'm so lucky. So that thing was on sale for 1 minute and sold out terus lepas tu. So I was so lucky lah, I would say. So hari ni aku nak buat review berkenaan dengan Huawei Soundstone. So this is actually a Bluetooth speaker, very small Bluetooth speaker, and sangat-sangat berbaloi actually. Dan aku suka nak tunjukkan what are the feature of the portable Bluetooth speaker Huawei Soundstone yang aku dapat dengan harga RM11 daripada Shopee. So aku nasihatkan those yang nak sesuatu, wait for the flash sale, and kalau nasib korang baik, kemungkinan korang akan dapat benda-benda macam ni dengan harga yang sangat-sangat murah. Okay, so Soundstone ni, okay, dia datang dalam packaging yang macam ni, and actually it's very compact lah. So it's Huawei Soundstone portable Bluetooth speaker daripada Huawei, and kalau ikut packaging dekat sini dia cakap loud vibration sound, light and portable, IPX5, water resistant. So this is actually made in China, obviously. And apa yang dia bagi dalam ni, jom kita tengok. So basically you akan dapat the charger. Okay, the charger. It's a normal micro USB charger. Okay, micro USB charger. So yang ni actually you guys can kongsi with your Android phones lah, yang masih pakai mini USB. Okay, that's one. And then the Soundstone, the Huawei Soundstone. Okay, letak dalam nice packaging. And then manuals. So manuals ni dia ada banyak language lah. Okay. And then that's all dalam kotak ni. Okay. Kemudian when you open the casing, okay, dia bagi tali adjustable. Mungkin korang boleh gantung benda ni dekat pintu ke, dekat mana-mana ke kan. So that actually memudahkan kita nak letak speaker ni. Okay, so button-button yang ada adalah button power on, and then Bluetooth pairing button, small speaker. Actually speaker ni kita boleh buat con call, and the sound is, I tell you, very nice. And then kita ada power indicator. Okay, actually aku dah on dah benda ni, so kita nampak power indicator is blue. And then kita ada volume button, minus, plus, and then kita ada play button kat sini. Okay, so untuk charge benda ni dia letak kat sini lah. So basically this one is very tight, it's quite tight. dia macam getah, and then only you can find the mini USB punya port. Okay, so now let's hear what sound does this makes. And before that, aku nak pair dulu dengan my iPad dekat sini, so that you guys can actually listen to the sound that this small device makes. Okay, let's do it. Okay. So pairing is quite simple. Kalau yang pakai iPad ataupun iOS, you just turn on your Bluetooth. Okay. Okay, first let me try power on this one.
Power on.
Oh, okay. Ada suara perempuan. Power on. Okay.
Connected.
So basically aku dah pairkan Bluetooth speaker ni dengan aku punya iPad. And cara nak pairkan benda ni sangat mudah lah. You press the Bluetooth button and then turn on the Bluetooth, and dia automatically akan detect. Sangat cepat. Dengan iPad okay, dengan handphone pun very fast, and I think there's no problem to it lah. Okay, so now kita dah connect. Aku nak play some songs. Okay. Okay, sebab aku nak test sound, aku guna music daripada YouTube sendiri, so that tak mengganggu mana-mana copyright. Okay. So kita dengar. Aku harap speaker aku dapat capture sound dia dengan baik lah. So those yang nak dengar exactly how does these small things makes, make sure you guys pakai earphone atau headphone, better quality and better sound. Okay, let's play a song. And you guys can tell me in the comment whether this speaker is good or not. Yang best itu, kita boleh actually control the volume of the iPad from the speaker itself. Tengok You see? Haha. Okay, kita dengar. The bass sound, I think it's good. The bass sound is very, I think cukup rasa lah. Okay. Okay, you guys listen lah. The sound that this small speaker makes. Boleh gantung macam ni lah. Okay, kita slowkan. So, while the song is playing, aku harap korang yang first time dalam channel aku ni, aku harap korang dapat subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell button so that every time aku upload video, you guys yang akan menjadi orang yang pertama kali menonton video aku. So, while I'm enjoying the music, I guess I see you guys soon. I see you guys in the next video. Ciao.